Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make apple roses. So here I've got my red apple, I've got my sugar and cinnamon. So I've got 2 teaspoons and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon mixed together, and I've got my melted butter. So okay, let's get started. So I'll start by cutting my apple now. Okay, so you can see, then you need to thinly slice it. You take this off. Once you're done slicing your apples, just make sure to remove the core and to get rid of all the seeds. Once you've done that, just put your apples in a plate, microwave for a minute, and if they're not soft enough to roll, put back in the microwave. They should be as soft as this. Then next, cover with a cling film and put a dish towel on top, just to keep them soft while you're preparing your pastry. So while you're preparing your pastry, just preheat your oven at 160 degrees. Brush your pastry with butter, then sprinkle over sugar and cinnamon. So make sure your apples are overlapping each other. Then you can brush it with egg wash and sprinkle over cinnamon and sugar. Then tightly roll your pastry and seal it at the end. As you can see, and when we are done, we're just going to bake on a preheated oven for 40 minutes. Check it after about 30 minutes, and if it's getting too brown on top, go ahead, put some foil just to prevent them burning on the top before they are well cooked. They should look like this when they come out of the oven, and you just have to let them cool for about 5 to 7 minutes.